Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about charging your iPhone 12 without buying a new charger. This will be a simple how-to tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have my iPhone 12 right here, and this is the box that it came in. And inside of the box, I saw a charging cable, and I was like, okay, great, I can have an additional charging cable. But I noticed that it didn't come with the power brick. So I went to go plug in the charging cable to my old power brick, and I was like, wait a second, this does not work. It doesn't fit. That's because this is a USB Type-C connector that came with the iPhone 12. And this is not a USB Type-C power brick. This is the one that I have, I think maybe 15 of these lying around my house, because all of my other devices came with something similar to this. So I was going to go out and buy a new power brick for this. But then I realized that you don't need to buy a new charger. You can go and buy a new charger. You're more than welcome to. Or you can take your older iPhone charger like this, which has the standard USB on the end of it like this, with the standard power brick that you probably already have. Plug it into the wall outlet, and you can actually use it, believe it or not, let's lock the phone just to show you, to charge your iPhone. As you can see right there, no tricks, no gimmicks. I'm not like, there's no like TV magic happening. It's like that, literally. Just so you know, I'm not trying to fool you or anything. I'm literally just using my old charger to charge up my new iPhone 12. Now there is a catch, which is that this will charge it much faster with the appropriate charging brick. And that's why I plan on getting the one that works with this in the near future. But at least for now, I'm able to charge my new iPhone 12 with my older iPhone charger, because I have plenty of these lying around and I would not want them to go to waste or anything like that. Now granted, it does take a little bit longer to charge up, like I said, but at least I can make use of these that I already have. That's basically it. That is how to charge your iPhone 12 without buying a new charger. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.